Hey guys, how are you all? I'm gonna make my version of WhatsApp today, but first, let me tell you one thing. Like I said, on my first video, that I don't have enough storage to write CSS, I'm sorry, but on this video I can't even record both HTML and CSS, so I'm only gonna show code scrolling. You will need to include font awesome CDN kit in head and need some images. Don't worry, check comment, there's the drive link of images. Also, you have to link CSS to your HTML. If you want source code for free, you can message me on Facebook.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.